guys, so we are going to be doing a slime slash Play-Doh video. So I have a friend over. Her name's Ireland. So I haven't seen her in a long time, so let's get started. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is like this pink one. Slash.
It kind of looks like orange in the camera.
Yeah.
Mama!
Lynn, shut up.
I'm taking this with me.
I did not have more with mine.
You have to show it.
Now, if it's what slime, it would be butter slime.
Yeah. All of our slimes slash Play-Doh is like all butter slime.
Halliday went on a date.
Sorry, don't mind the background.
Just once. Years before they were even married, but yeah. And despite that, the fact that she died, the name Kira is only making it worse. That's not possible. It is. Look it up.
And that's our brother. Being annoying. So.
Build it up because it's Play-Doh and it can stay.
Go away, doggy. This one don't. Bye.
Oh.
Holiday purposely removes everything.
I'm making a volcano. I'm making a volcano. Probably not my best volcano, but gotta make it smooth.
I lose.
Probably not that smooth on the front.
You see, here's the rosebud at the center of his story. She's the big mystery. No, a bet is a bet. Oh, wow. A quarter. You can keep it. No, you can keep it.
You free Thursday?
Who, me?
No, him. Oh my god, yes, you! You know the distracted club?
Yeah, the dance club.
To meet me there. 10 p.m. There's something I want to show you.
Bye-bye.
Hmm?
She just asked me out. And I was starting to like her.
Sorry guys, we haven't been talking.
I don't do that.
We've been like watching the TV because there's like a movie on.
And it's interesting. Okay, that's my volcano. See if I can pick it up. That's my volcano.
And it's in like this. It's
I'm gonna smush it.
container. Okay, so the next.
Okay, if you open up the insides.
It's like an orange. It's like an orange color. And this is my brother. Say hi. Landon. He thinks I'm his mom. Okay, so the next one.
You're supposed to play house.
We are.
Just take a sleepy.
Go up there, Landon. I'm trying to do something. So the next one is like this small one. It is in like this container, whatever, and a lid. So it is like so small. And like it's like so hard to
Okay.
And it's like so hard to like poke because it's like so small. That's how much you can poke. That's how much you can poke. Like you can't even do anything else. So that is that one.
I do not have a different one. I have
like
the same one.
It's the
as
same color, but it's in a different container.
Yep.
Sorry, the lid fell. The ones that we already did can go down here.
I don't know.
That was candy.
Same one.
We're not gonna do that one. That one's like hard. Landon, move!
can like barely poke it.
Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys.
Like I can barely do any pokes. See? That's like barely any pokes.
All our slimes are like butter. So, because we mostly like butter slimes than like regular slime.
Get out of here. So what's the plan? Are you gonna kill their avatars? Zero them out? They're both here at this.
Okay guys, look, now it kind of looks like a snowball. Give it to you guys.
I double checked, and it turns out he started building it right after that moment you showed me.
So
It's gonna come towards you guys.
we have 3 the exact same ones the same back container. So we did like the small ones already. She has the other small one. And this is its mama. That's what we call it.
Yeah, mama.
And so
And we're naming these ones like the white
The
ones,
snow
like
ones.
like snowflakes.
yeah, snowflakes, because like it's technically like snow, but in the
Or
camera,
snowy, like a
in the-
snowy winter.
yeah, but in the camera it's like grayish, whitish. I can't tell, but yeah. So this is the mama. You can poke it. This one's easier. So yeah, that one's a lot easier.
I don't think it's fit.
So
No obstacles.
Maybe a dance challenge? Alexis, you need to go back there and turn everything off.
okay.
Bathroom light, bedroom light.
So we did that one. Which one do you want to do? Blue or white?
I'll do white.
Okay. So the next one is like the same, but it's like the
Slightly bigger.
slightly bigger, and we call it the dada of the snowflakes. And it's just in this container like all of them.
Okay, now if I flatten it, I'll show you how many pokes you can do with this one.
What kind of haptics you rocking?
Okay.
Leather gloves or full body? Can you feel it?
Next one, haptic boots.
Look how many pokes that one takes. Back to you guys.
Hi, Arnold. You did come prepared.
So, I've been thinking. I can't.
Well, you're annoying. This is what I really look like. This is my real body. Not my real body.
I don't care. You're really.
Now it's just a random chapstick, so I cut it. And it has this design in it.
It's like a grayish, whitish in the camera. So we're gonna like fix our camera when we're done with our video. But we'll do like how to make slime.
When is that?
Huh?
When is that gonna be? I'm probably have to bring out slime ingredients.
Do you have it? Don't you have a tablet?
I can use my Nana's phone, but we won't be able to post it. We'll just do like a fake video.
Okay. Or I can take this one. If I can.
Can.
Okay, so our next one is,
It's a surprise.
it's a surprise.
We probably already told you. But it's gonna be at a different place so you not see this back here.
Yeah.
And we're gonna do it in my room, okay?
Huh?
We're gonna do it in my room.
We should do the blindfolded.
No.
That would be like go everywhere. Okay, so our next slime we have is this blue butter slime. It looks like a dark blue because it is.
But on the camera, it actually kind of looks like a little darker.
Yeah. So we have another one behind our camera holding it up. So we
It's purple.
Yeah, it's purple. So we'll be doing that one together. Or she can be doing it.
Because she has to go do something.
Yeah. And we're gonna put this one back. We're gonna be doing this one back again because some of you guys been commenting that you have not seen it yet because you just got back on it. Because this is it. This is the softest butter slime we ever had. And the surprise is that, do you want to tell them?
For our next video it's going to be, we're going to show you how to make some slime. We're going to make, fishbowl slime, butter slime, and I think
Just regular slime.
fluffy slime. Wait, no, yeah, normal slime.
Fluffy slime, fishbowl slime, foam slime, maybe.
Maybe.
Snow slime. Maybe. We can use the babies. All we need is like the fake snow and get it wet.
Okay, guys, I think we're gonna end the video here.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Give it a big thumbs up and smash the like button.
Sorry, that was my brother. And smash the like button if you didn't. Go ahead and subscribe if you didn't. So we'll see you guys in another video. Bye, guys.
I want to do a video. I want to